Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2026 Winnebago Travato continues to set the benchmark for Class B motorhomes in the United States, offering an unmatched blend of innovation, efficiency, and comfort. Built on the reliable RAM ProMaster chassis, the Travato brings the best of both worlds: a robust performance for the road and upscale living for extended adventures. With its 2026 model, Winnebago has taken everything that fans loved in previous versions and refined it even further, making it one of the most compelling options for van lifers, weekend warriors, and full-time travelers alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Travato is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, optimized for fuel efficiency and smooth handling. It delivers a responsive driving experience with improved suspension for enhanced ride quality, which is crucial for those long cross-country drives. The updated 9-speed automatic transmission makes gear transitions seamless and adds to the overall fuel economy, a feature many eco-conscious travelers will appreciate. Winnebago has also added advanced safety technologies, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, ensuring drivers and passengers stay secure no matter where the road leads. Inside, the 2026 Travato exudes a sense of smart luxury. The interior layout has been reimagined to maximize every square inch. There are two floor plan options, a 59G and 59K, each designed to cater to different travel styles. The 59G includes a Murphy bed and a spacious rear bath, while the 59K offers twin beds that convert to a large sleeping area. Alongside a split bath layout, Winnebago's use of quality materials, from the soft touch cabinetry to the premium upholstery, makes the interior feel more like a boutique hotel room than a camper van. Ambient LED lighting, a redesigned galley with a 2-burner stove, compressor refrigerator, and microwave oven round out the well-appointed kitchen space, making it easy to cook meals on the go. Technology-wise, the Travato shines. The 2026 model comes standard with the Pure 3 Advanced Energy System, a lithium-based power setup that replaces the need for a generator. This allows for extended off-grid capability, powered by a large-capacity battery pack, inverter, and solar panels. With this system, travelers can run the air conditioner and appliances without needing shore power, making boondocking more accessible than ever before. Wi-Fi connectivity, a touchscreen control panel, USB-C port, and a full entertainment system ensure that even in the most remote locations, users remain connected and entertained. In terms of practical features, the Travato includes a powered awning with LED lights, side and rear screen doors to keep bugs out while letting fresh air in, and ample storage space cleverly integrated throughout the interior. The rear annex system also adds flexibility for outdoor gear, changing space, or even a mobile workstation. The bathroom, while compact, features a wet bath design with upgraded fixtures and improved ventilation for comfort during longer trips. Ultimately, the 2026 Winnebago Travato proves that big adventures can come in small packages. With its combination of smart design, energy efficiency, and modern features, it appeals to a wide range of travelers looking for independence, mobility, and style. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country expedition, the Travato is ready to make the journey as enjoyable as the destination.